Guys, this game is called Don't Press the Button Up. I cannot see up. Wait. Anyways, you're playing Don't Press the Button. Anyways, let's go. Oh, I've never actually played it. Oh god. Simple. As it is simple as it is. A weapon to surpass Metal Gear. This is what we're doing. This is what I do. Just grind until I am better than everyone. Also my goal is, also very sad that, we have to also buy the VIP panel. Like, why that? You can add admin thing only for the private game. I like this game also since it's the best game in the history of Roblox. Hurry up. 13, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It blows up. It just disappeared. It just blew up. Ooh, simple levels. I wanna be so lonely because every time when I do a video on public, others try, I just don't feel like it. It's not perfect for it. Ooh, oh my, ankles, oh my. Ouchie, my brain cells and my legs are ankles are, oh. I have poo-poo. God dang it, I have poo-poo. I don't have poo-poo. Come on. Save me! Save me! Oh, it's saved. I'm saved. I just got wrecked. Oh god, everyone. Oh god, everyone. The metal. Oh! Whoa, what? I did it. This is perfect. Oh god, I'm alive. Oh, I am safe. Oh god. Oh god, I'm alive. What? Oh god, I'm alive. Jesus, oh god. Oh, okay, I'm safe. It's safe. Oh god, I'm alive. Jesus, oh. Go. What's happening? Go. Go. Woo. Oh, wait, I just survived. Yes. Thank you, game. You're agreeing. It's so bright also, the grass. I did not care. We did not have to hear about Vsauce. I do not like him. Is there a question? I was lucky. I did not know. Wait. After this video, I will check if it is actually made in 2019. Kind of did start playing Roblox in 2021, but I wasn't actually sad. Oh god, why did I fail this? If you don't know about my factor on which year I joined Roblox, I actually joined it at December 2021, the year 2021. Oh god, hurry up! Salabia! The Bunyan! I'm so happy that I'm very lonely and I have a lot of coins. Nobody does 30 with it. Oh, okay, go. Go, soccer ball. Oh my god, what are you doing? You're not cool. What are you doing? I don't understand. Go. I do not understand this at all. Yeah, I scored! I'm so happy to be like, if I get the hammer one, I'm going to, cheat a lot. Trampoline. Hop. Oh, what? I do not want to have fun. I just want to say. This game is kind of very fun indeed. Diamond is in the cave. Collect it before anyone else does. This one is so updated. God. Oh, there it is. I just found it. It's so simple. Wow, it's so easy. How do you guys all failures? Guys? Oh, God. Watch out. I wish some of my friends join me, but they actually never do. Because, for example, they like, if I ask Carol to join me, oh God, I'm on this side. Like, if I ask Kara to join me, like, she would reply no. You know, nobody even joins me. So, you know, if someone joins me, I'll be so depressed. Because I only want my friends to join me, but they never. You know, if you also know, check out Naga's channel. He has 615 Naga plays Roblox. You should check him out. I'm going to also help out my best friend. Like, why wouldn't I? You better help out my friend or else I'll get a gun and shoot him. This is a joke. I only want to kidnap you. I will kidnap you. I'm only joking. I am here to scare you. I'm not here to take this seriously or anything. Hey guys, wanna see something cool? I got my brothers. Oh God. Oh no, my brother fall. I'm now so lonely. But I have my two bros. They're just chilling. They're just sleepy. I just got them in my bag. Yes, this. You better. I am smart. Big brain. That's his point. Nobody would know that I am very good. Oh God, I almost struggled. I don't know what else do I have to do. But what I have to do is I have to make new videos. And then my exam is going to come. This is the last video before my exam starts. Hey, my brothers, touch the button. Nobody did. I'm so happy that nobody did. It's simple. How? It's so cool. I have found it. It's like the game is helping me out. Still I've none. I'm so depressed. Oh, run. Speed run. I'm going to waste my time. Into the 4th degree. I'm going to do this quickly. I'm going to leave my bros. Oh no, they died. My brothers died. We can all lose back. No. 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14. God. Oh no, I died. God dang it. Hi, my bros. How are you doing? I think they died. They died. What please don't tell the devil, but I have treated my best friends bad. It's actually just a joke. I always tell jokes. Don't move in. I can move. Oh, never mind. Oh no, the building is burning. When is the building going to burn? Oh my God, I just picked the wrong way. Oh. Run. Okay, that's my mom. I stopped. It's gonna copyright it. Please do. Burger IQ. HQ. Oh no! Ouch! You hurted me! Come on! Stop! Ow, you're breaking it. Ouch! Hey? You're hurting me. I'm trying to get, oh no, oh no. I'm trying to find a way to get out of here. I got out, oh no more, I just got it. The same level? Okay, I'm going to, this time it's going to be perfect. Do it. Oh god, it was a close call. Jump! I did it. Well, everyone is breaking apart. Hopefully nobody hits, nothing doesn't hit me. And my life is better. Oh god. So, ouchie, you blimey mate, what the heck? Also, if you think I am British, I am not, I am Indian. I am totally Indian because of my name. Oh, it's very cool indeed. What is it? Yeah, same things. I like this one. I'm just vibing. But my character isn't because I'm controlling it. Haha. Wee. Oh no, I died. Oh god damn, never mind. I'm sick. Wee. While I'm playing the game, I gotta tell you some 7 facts about me. Or I think that 3 facts. So the 3 facts is, I'm going to show my face. Okay, never mind. I'm not gonna. I just take that back. I think you should watch my videos, like the old video one. I made it in like April 2022. Oh no, I failed. Ah. So I hope you guys like this video, and I'm also going to make a Melbourne Playground story. I hope you like the video, and bye. And be ready. I'm also going to make some parts about the world province at May 1st. So bye.